How to fix Snapchat camera zoom problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to simply do is launch the Play Store application and see if you have any updates available for the Snapchat application. As you can see on the screen, there is an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Snapchat application. So let's go back and then make a long press on the Snapchat application and then tap on app info. It will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then you can clear the cache and tap on OK. Next, tap on the app permissions option and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options, including camera. So giving that access will help you not have any issues while using the application. So if this does not solve the issue, you can just make a long press on the power button and reboot your device, and then you'll be able to see that your problem has been fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.